Welcome back, everybody. People always ask me what my favorite thing is to make on the Blackstone Griddle. Stir fry, and today we're gonna make steak lo mein. And today I have a Nebraska whitetail deer backstrap venison filet. You could use beefsteak, buffalo, you could use chicken, you could use pork. Any meat works for this recipe. This has already been trimmed out. I pulled it out of the freezer. We're gonna cut this into small stir fry size portions, so just little pieces. Backstrap, the filet is the prized piece of meat in any wild game animal. It's the filet mignon. It's what people love the most. I like it, and it's so prized because it is solid protein. No fat. You trim the fat off the outside and you are left with 100% meat. Veggies with lo mein. I've seen lots of different concoctions. Today, I'm going to use red bell pepper. Cut those up into little strips. Fresh broccoli. I washed this off. Gonna go ahead and pull the crowns off. A little smaller, a little more bite size, something like that. And shallots. That's something that you don't see me using very often. I was looking up beef lo mein recipes online, and several people used shallots. I'll just do some small, thin slices. Blackstone Pro Series 36-inch griddle on high. I'm using avocado oil today. You know me, I'm typically avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil. And you also know my process. I like to rub oil into the griddle top before I cook and after I cook, and I use my bare hands. So just reminding you, it is a super hot griddle. Be careful. You could use tongs or heat-resistant gloves. Take care of those hands. Down with my venison steak. Blackstone SPG works well because salt, pepper, and garlic are my three favorite spices. A little more avocado oil on the left. Down with my veggies. Shredded carrot. Just pick these up in a bag at the grocery store. Snow peas. Perfect for stir fry. I love them in lo mein. My broccoli and my red bell pepper. Nice color contrast. Steak is gonna be our #1 priority. This is gonna cook up so quick. Everybody wants their filet to be medium or medium rare, so we'll try to be quick. Steak looking good. Veggies are gonna cook really quick. So they have lo mein noodles. I boiled these up in the kitchen, bought these at Walmart. I think it took about 5 minutes. I strained them, then I put them in a bowl with some avocado oil to prevent them from sticking. Gonna go lo mein noodles down in the center, shallots down into the steak. Gonna go ahead and mix my noodles up straight away with my veggies. The thing about stir fry, I always remind people, it's an action word. Stir fry, we're moving. So it's so different than cooking a hamburger 20 years ago on a grated grill. Set it and forget it. No, we're moving. It's high heat, and those spatulas are always moving. We're mixing it together. We're getting the oils from the veggies, the oils from the meat mixed up with the noodles. You need to have fun with it. You need to be able to lift your spatulas and enjoy it. My steak and shallots, you can see, just look beautiful. So we're gonna mix that straight up with the rest of our ingredients. You can always flip your spatula if you want to have some fun. We can go for the single flip, double flip, double flip. On lots of lo mein recipes, people use teriyaki sauce with brown sugar. That's obviously going to be a lot of sodium and a ton of sugar. If you don't want that, I love that. But if you want to go a little more healthier, you could just use a low sodium soy sauce, and then we'll forget about adding the brown sugar. Low sodium soy sauce. One last movement of the spatulas, and it's time to plate it up. And lastly, a little bit of green onion as a finishing touch, a little garnish. If you feel you need a little more soy sauce, you can sprinkle a little more on top. Take a look at that. An incredible stir fry. I love making stir fry. So many variables, so many combinations. I never make the same stir fry twice. Get me a small portion. It's hot and heavy. It's quick cooking. Let's give it a try. Delicious. My first takeaway is the fact that you can notice there's less sodium. I chose to do it that way earlier. We all crave chicken lo mein or beef lo mein, then just use teriyaki sauce. Throw that brown sugar on at the end. Sprinkle brown sugar right before you pull it off the griddle, a little bit of brown sugar, and that'll give you the precise lo mein taste that you want. This is a, for lack of a better word, healthier version. There it is. It's a delicious steak lo mein. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite types of stir fry are. Do you like beef lo mein, chicken lo mein? Do you like those sweet Thai chili stir fry recipes that I do? Let me know. Maybe you're dying for me to make a shrimp stir fry recipe. Don't do that very often. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the steak lo mein. Maybe a healthier version of steak lo mein.